Annoyed by the clicking sounds every time you tap something on Facebook? Here's how to turn off sounds in the Facebook app. First, open Facebook. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner or bottom right on iPhone. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Now scroll down and find Media. Tap on it. Under Sound in Feed and Stories, you'll see the option Play Sounds in App. Turn that toggle off. This will remove the clicking and tapping sounds inside Facebook. If you also want videos to start without sound, turn off Reels and Stories. Start with sound. Now videos will play silently unless you tap for sound. And that's it. That's how you turn off sounds in the Facebook app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.